How to add emojis to your TikTok video. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily add emojis to your TikTok video on the TikTok app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your TikTok app, and then here once you're on your TikTok app you have to tap on this plus here in the bottom middle. And now if you want you can record a video, or if you want to add a video from your phone you can tap on here upload in the bottom right side. Then from here you can select the video you want. And after selecting the video, now to add emojis you have to tap on stickers here in the top right side. And then here are stickers and here will be emojis, so tap on emoji, and from here you can select the emoji you want. So to select the emoji just tap on the emoji you want and wait for a few seconds. And the emoji this video you can move it where you want, or you can also resize it, and if you want you can also add another emojis. You can add how many emojis you want. And now to post this video just tap on next here in the bottom right side, and now you can tap on post to post the video, and that video will be posted with the emojis on. And so this is how you can add emojis to your TikTok video. Thanks for watching.